Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to see Facebook Reels history. Want to see or check or find your Facebook Watch Reels history. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Facebook. After login or open your Facebook account. So in this you can easily see or find or check your Facebook Reels history or see your Facebook Watch Reels history. After that you can see three dot line, click here. Scroll down. After that you can choose and select settings and privacy. Click on it. You can see settings, so choose settings. After that scroll down. In this you can choose and select activity lock. Open it. After that you can see a right top corner search bar. Open it. You can see search activity log. So in this here you can type or write videos you have watched. You can see videos you have watched. After that live videos you have watched. So instead you can choose and open videos you have watched. Click on it. In this here you can see or find or check your Facebook Reels history or see your Facebook Watch Reels history. So in this you can easily delete or remove your Facebook Reels history. So let's see. After that you can see clear video watch history. If you want to delete or clear or remove your Facebook Reels history or delete or clear or remove your Facebook Watch Reels history, you can choose this option, clear video watch history. Click on it. After you can see recycle bin, open it. You can see your Facebook Reels history. So in this way you can easily see or find or check your Facebook Reels history or see your Facebook Watch Reels history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.